The belt is unnecessarily controversial. It's going to help you contract your abs harder and lift more safely, because your abs are what help keep your spine straight, and you need a spine that's in normal anatomical position to lift weights safely. So Brandon's gonna come over and I will show you what I mean when I say, let's get a side profile, when I say that the belt is to help you squeeze your abs. So if you think about your spine, right? It's a series of vertebral segments, and your job as a lifter is to lock them in place and create a rigid spine so that you can transmit force effectively. It's the old metaphor of, do you want to tow a truck with a spring or with a chain? A chain, because that's a better transmitter of force because it's tight. So Brandon can use his spinal erector muscles all the way down his back, so squeeze this together for me and lock this here. So he can lock his spine into place with his back muscles. He can also take a Valsalva, take a huge breath, and then the top front of his spine is locked into place, and then he just has the bottom front of his spine left to lock into place with his abs. And so he can squeeze his abs, but when your abs have feedback, something to squeeze against, you'll be able to contract them harder. And that is the purpose of the belt. The belt is not for the back. The belt is actually for the front. So if you see one of those belts that's thinner in the front and wider in the back, the person that designed that belt does not understand the purpose of the belt when you're lifting heavy weights. So Brandon, show us how to put on the belt. It's between the top of his hip pointer and the bottom of his floating rib. And notice it's tight. It should be tight enough so that you don't want to wear it. You want to take it off in between sets. And I'm going to sneak my 2 fingers in there and make sure there's some resistance. If it's easy to put him in there, it's too loose. And then if it's too tight, he's not going to be able to breathe properly. It's going to pinch. So just find the sweet spot. This is the starting strength belt. This is a 3-inch all leather single ply belt. The double ply ones are great too. We have the single ply ones here in the gym. They form fit around your torso. You can get them nice and snug. They look great, they age well. So this is the starting strength belt by Dominion Strength. Don't fight about this, don't argue about this. You need the belt to lift heavy weights, just like you need shoes, just like you need chalk. So these are non-optional things if you're going to do the starting strength novice linear progression, get stronger over time, do it effectively, and do it safely. So Dominion starting strength belt, get one. Thanks.